Hello, this is John Hart, and we'll be going over comparing samples. So let's say this first one is the master copy from that's being used to grade assignments, and here is yours. You paste it in, and let's insert a column over here. Right click, insert column. So one way we can check to see if samples are the same, comparing variable A to variable A over here. We can look at the n number of observations in each sample, and then the mean and standard deviation. So we'll click here for sample A, go to function, n. Excel uses the word count. Counts every cell that has a number. Left click, hold it down, and we see the answer there and there, and click OK. So wherever you park your mouse, that's where the answer is going to fall. Excel uses the word average for mean. If you have a bunch of decimal places, you can change them here. If it looks like that, we can right click, format cells, go to number, and just maybe 1 or 2, and standard deviation. If you don't see it in the list, it's STDEV. You can type that up there and then click OK, or no, click go, and then when you see it, click it and then click OK. And you can double check the function you're using. Standard deviation is named up there. Left click, so we're in the same sample. And then we can highlight these descriptive stats and see that little dot on the lower right hand corner. We want to make that a skinny plus sign with the mouse. Right now it's not skinny. And move it slightly, and there it is. Left click, hold it down, and drag it across, and it will calculate all the other samples. And this is looking a little funny because of that. There's no numbers, so we'll just get rid of that. So now we can compare A to A, apples to apples. So we'll click there just to kind of bookmark it as we're comparing. So A to A over here, 14, 322.5, 75.6, so that's good. B to B, so they're all 14, except over here there's one missing, so that's 13, and it agrees over here, 13. So B to B, 14, 246.1, 31.8, so that's good. A better way, more accurate, so this is gives you a ballpark idea, and that's satisfactory for the assignment. But a better way, more accurate, is to subtract A from A. So we'll type in equals, and then we'll highlight the A here. No, we'll just do 1 equals H2, 1 at first, minus that, B2. And hit enter, and we can drag that down. And even when where there's the missing data, it'll show no difference. It's missing over here too. So when there's missing data, we do not plug in a 0. That will throw everything off. And then do the same for B. B here minus B here. Drag it down. And if the numbers are a little different, 3 will change A over here to 301. We still get 14. We still get we get a slightly different average, 322.6, 322.5. Standard deviation is the same. So we added 1. Let's subtract 1 here to 38. So 322.5, that's the same. 75.6, that's the same. So everything is the same down here when we're comparing A to A. Yet we see a difference over here. So this is the best way. This is adequate, but may not be 100% adequate for the assignment. And that concludes this presentation. And thank you.